So friends, how many of you love rain? I love rain, but how do we get rain? From a watt cycle. Not this cycle, come on. It is a movement of water from land to air. Air to land. So friends, I'm going to talk about water cycle. So how does the water cycle start? The sun's heat warms the water bodies on the earth. What do I mean by water bodies? I mean oceans, seas and rivers, lakes and even ponds. Water bodies on earth are heated. There is something called water vapor that travels into the sky and form clouds. When the clouds become heavy with the water droplets, they fall back on earth as rain. So this process is called precipitation. So friends, these water droplets can fall down as rain, snow and even hail. Friends, do you know what is hail? Hail is water droplets, but it is frozen. So these water droplets go back into the water bodies and cycle keeps repeating. What cycle keeps repeating? Remember, it is not this cycle. It is the water cycle, friends. Bye bye friends. I hope you learned something new.